How to check for nearby Snapchat users. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, click on the profile icon given at the top left. Once you're in the profile page, scroll down. Here you're going to find this section of Snap Map. Open it. In the map, you're going to find the users. Just zoom in, you're going to find the users that are nearby you. Then you can select any of the user and chat with them. Likewise, another way is head back. Click on the search icon given at the top right. Now search for the place. Now go ahead and type in the place you are right in. Scrolling down, you're going to find this section of places. Click on the place. With that, map will open up and you're going to find the stories in this space. You can just click on any of the story. Then you can head over to the profile of the person who has uploaded the story, add them and chat with them. So this way you are able to check for nearby Snapchat users. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.